The buzz around Samsung's Galaxy F55 has been building, and it's almost time for its big reveal. Leaked images have surfaced, giving us a sneak peek at this mid-range contender in various colors. It appears to maintain the design language of its predecessor, the Galaxy F54, but with a significant upgrade that's sure to catch the eye: a switch from a plastic to a metal frame, enhancing its premium feel. This transition is complemented by a glass back and introduces Samsung's Key Island design, a sleek feature first unveiled with the Galaxy F5 series. The F55's design is further refined by a distinctive frame encircling the buttons, available in classic black, blue, and white, hinting at more color choices upon its official launch. Underneath its stylish exterior, the F55 is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, setting a new standard for mid-range smartphones with its potential to transform gaming experiences. Thanks to the AMD RDNA 2-based GPU, photography enthusiasts will be pleased with the F55's camera setup, featuring a 50-megapixels main camera, a 12MP ultrawide, a 5-megapixels macro, and a 32-megapixels selfie camera. A robust 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging capability ensures prolonged usage. On the software front, the device is equipped with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6.1, though it remains to be seen whether it will incorporate advanced AI features or offer extended OS updates akin to the Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this sneak peek, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Peace out.